The DEWALT DCK1020D2 Combo Kit is ideal for almost any cutting, drilling, or fastening application. This DEWALT toolkit includes a DCD771 drill driver, DCF885 impact driver, DCE100 blower, DCL040 light, DCR006 Bluetooth speaker, DCS355B oscillating tool, DCG412B grinder, DCS393B circ saw, DCS381B recip saw and DCV517B wet, dry vacuum. The DEWALT cordless tools also come with 2 batteries, a charger, and 2 contractor bags for portability. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. DCD771 in the cordless drill combo kit has a high-speed transmission that delivers 2 speeds, 0 to 450 and 1500 revolutions per minute, for a range of fastening and drilling applications. Number 2. DCF885 in the cordless tools combo kit offers one-handed loading for its 1/4 inch hex chuck that accepts 1-inch bit tips. Number 3. DCS381 with keyless blade clamp as one of the essential construction tools allows for quick blade change without touching blade or reciprocating shaft. Number 4. DCL040 is a bright flashlight to illuminate your work area with LED output of 110 lumens. Number 5. DCE100 has a max airflow of 100 CFM. Number 6. DCS393 with a 6.5-inch carbide blade can cut 2x FAs at a 45-degree angle in a single pass. Number 7. DCR006 runs off DEWALT 12V, 20V max battery packs and has Bluetooth 4.0. Number 8. DCG412 has an 8,000 revolutions per minute motor that provides high power for cutting and grinding applications. Number 9. DCS355 has a quick change accessory system that allows blades and attachments to be changed quickly without wrenches. Number 10. DCV517 has a Gore HEPA wet, dry filter which traps 99.97% of dust at 0.3 microns. Number 11. 20V MAX 1/2 inch compact drill driver. Lightweight design with a high-performance motor that delivers 300 unit watts of power out. Number 12. 20V MAX 1/4 inch impact driver. Provides up to 1400 inches lbs of maximum torque and delivers up to 2800 rpm and 3200 IPM for fast, efficient work in a range of fastening applications. Number 13. 20V MAX Compact Jobsite Blower. Features a 3-speed design that offers versatility for a range of jobs, while its compact profile makes it perfect for use in tight spots. Number 14. 20V MAXXR Oscillating Multi-Tool. Designed with brushless motor that delivers up to 57% more runtime over brushed. Number 15. 20V MAX Circular Saw. Features a powerful 5150 rpm motor that delivers power and speed to make the most demanding cuts with ease. Number 16. Jobsite Bluetooth speaker. Gives users the option to listen to music from their mobile phone or another Bluetooth-compatible device wirelessly. Number 17. 20V MAX Reciprocating Saw. Features a 4-position blade clamp that allows for flush cutting and increased positional versatility with tool-free blade changes. Number 18. 20V MAX 4.5 inches grinder. Features an 8000 rpm motor that provides high power for cutting and grinding applications with a quick change wheel release that allows for tool-free wheel changes. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.